Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Steam game save data. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to Steam right here at the top left. Now click on settings, and then we are going to find cloud. Okay. So as you can see here, we have enable Steam cloud option. Now, if your game supports it, as you can see here, it says enable or disable Steam cloud synchronization for applications which supports it. So if your specific games can save a file locally, well, you can just go ahead and delete it, okay? But some games right here, whether you enable or disable Steam Cloud, it will just automatically synchronize, just like PUBG and Counter-Strike, okay? Most multiplayer games. Now, if it's just a single player game, you can just easily remove your save files, okay? So go ahead and disable this one. Now close it. Go ahead and find the game. For example, we have here VR chat. Okay, just click on it and then go ahead and right click and click on properties. Click on installed files and click on browse. Okay, if you can find a save.ini or save folder right here, you can just easily delete it. If not, don't worry, we still have a ton of options on how to find our saved data. So just close this one as well. Now go ahead over to store page. And just remember this string of numbers. So 438 in my case. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Steam right here. Local disk C or disk PC. Local disk C. Program file x86. Now Steam. Now under Steam we have user data. Now double click on your ID. Okay. And find the string of numbers or the app ID. Just click on it and just click on delete. Okay, so another way to find out, just go ahead over to your file explorer and then go ahead over to this PC again, local disk C, users, your username, double click and just find saved games. If you can spot it right here, delete it. If not, you'll be able to see it under documents, double click, find the specific game, for example, this one, delete it. If you can't still find it right here, go ahead over to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Just click on it. Now go ahead and find this specific game folder. Okay. For example, we have here Steam. Double click. If you can find it right here, delete it. If not, just find the game name. For example, I have here Sid Meier's Civilization. Okay. You can just delete it. Or if you can't find it right here, go ahead over to app data and find roaming. You'll have it to the folders here as well. Okay. So the save games files or folders will vary depending on the creator of the game. Okay. So you'll have to find it manually. Now, once you've deleted the Steam ID or the Steam game ID, you're going to want to open up the game, play it. Okay, now everything will refresh back to 0. Once it refreshed, go back to Steam, settings right here. Now go back to cloud and just re-enable it to force the cloud to overwrite your new progress. That is it. That is how you delete a Steam game save data. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.